Hello friends, welcome back to your channel of learning. Now, as we were continuing with class 11 mathematics, we had a little bit of introduction on relations, if you remember, right? So that previous video was about an introduction on relations. So today we're going to continue with the exercises without wasting much time. But today's video is going to be slightly long because I want to solve the entire problem of the entire exercises. So please be with me. And then another important thing is that there is a very important theorem to be given to you at the end of the exercise. That's just at the end of the exercise. There are 2 or 3 problems where we will be learning some new formulas. So please stay with me. Please be there. We'll be coming across that particular theorem also. Okay. So anyway, so let's just continue with the exercise 2.2. I've written on a question here. Let's be quick today. Chalo, bring down your pen and paper. Let's continue. The set is given. Let a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14 ... means up to 14. Define a relation R from A to A. Tamani yati do amount hote relation to A to B bolai na, A to B. So itula relation to means A to A. And A bra A tamani to duta set to be 1, 2, 3, 14 to second set to be same set 1, 2, 3, 14. Itu equal na relation from A to A. Defined by key define korina ase kuntu bra define korise re R is equal to ordered pair xy aro taigala rule do ase moi to rub koribo ani rakhibo ne 3x minus y equal to 0 hobo lagibo 3x minus y equal to 0 to amagan jana isa prado since the order pair is defined in x and y, x should come from the first set and y should come from the second set. But here, of course, not a big problem because both the sets are same. So let's see what values can we put. Suppose x to first set pi would na to x to 1 olaisi cholaisi bole ni adi likhibo na moi. X to 1 olaisi bole to ki hobo 3 into 1 minus to y to kiman lobo lage so that it will have value to 0 hobo. From this to y to the second set pro lawo na to second set pro 3 ani dise boile kimano lawo 3 minus 3 3 ones are 3 3 minus 3 kimano lawo 0 tar mane 1 aru 3 do ekta jora ekta holai na ekta ordered pair na same partner ekta holai thik ase 1 2 korise na 2 be suppose x equal to 2 jora hole 3 into 2 minus key value jolaile second set pro kuntu value jolaise bole 0 lawo is the 1 2 3 4 up to 16 14 dok jaye ase to 1 2 3 4 5 6 jolaise bole 3 to 6 minus 6 kimano was 0 to another pair that comes out 2 and 6. Similarly, let's look for some more pairs. X to 3 jolaise bole x to 3 jolaise bole 3 3s are 9 minus 9 equal to 0 law na 9 minus 9. Now the other set will be the other pair will be 3, 9. Can we go further? I think so. If we use, suppose x cholaise bole 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12 minus second set probably 12 ani ho. That 12 minus 12 ki hobo 0. That means 4 or 12 to ekta jora. First set to be 2 ase na 2 yati baro olaise bole 5 cholaise bole ki hobo dia 5 cholaise bole 3 into 5 minus kiman hobo lage 3 5s are 15. So 15 minus 15 is 0 hobo na 15 minus 15 ki hobo 0. Hoile p yati brake to maribo lagibo accelerator to be bishi tapaisi bole do accident hobo to idura brake tapaisi bole 15 to le aman nai ro second set 14 to ki ase to hoina noy to chalo itu dun na paribo ta mane 4 to ki paribo because 4 3 4s are 12 minus 12. So this is our ordered pair. Okay. Now the question is write on its domain. The domain among Purisha domain the first ordered elements of one domain of the set are first ordered elements codomain of R, and then we have to find again range of R. So what will be the domain, codomain, and range? Domain first elements. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Range codomain to second set to us na codomain to moi college now. Those who are not clear with this, please go through that previous video again and then come back. Okay, codomain is the second set from A to A, so it's A itself. So 1 2 3, that's up to 14. Range is the second element 3 6 9 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. This concept is going to be very important. Okay, for the next topic, functions also, so please see to it. Okay, all right, so in the meantime, I will just hold a textbook. I believe all of you have your textbooks. I'll just go through the textbook. That is, I will not write on the question because it is given. Define a relation R on the set N of natural numbers, which is defined by the set R. That's going to be xy, y is equal to x plus 5, where x is a natural number, less than 4, xy such that xy both belongs to natural numbers. So relation D na thao to ito ase that a relation R is defined on natural numbers. Question D na ase defined on natural numbers n. Namanya among natural numbers si count karibo edi 1 2 3 4 5 6 na. To among set to ase n 1 2 3 4 and so on. Set of natural numbers. Our tagan kwado R to digina ase. Tagan next kwado itu relation to roster form di convert karibi ordered pairs di thik ase. Aro domain aro range bi likhibi. Write down this domain as well as range. So Holibi ekta question dorong we polish x is a natural number less than 4. Asa less than 4 is related to one door to nijabo. Yati to kya hai boy? Natural number to digina ase holibi aro takan kwado number itu natural number do less than 4 hobo. Tamne do less than 4 to 4 to nijabo 1 2 3 na. To chalo simply ase to r equal to suppose any one step by step karibo. To x la value chula boy dia na order pair to x ase na to order pair x y hoishole x la value halibo tidia y pabo ta dis ekta jora hobo na aro x la value halibo tidia aro y pabo aro ta y to ki hobo itu digna ase itu relation na y equal to x plus 5 to thik ase itu tintai cholabo paribo na man na to x equal to 1 cholabo to y ki hobo 1 plus 5 to kiman ho jabo 6 ekta jora next aro ki cholabo paribo x equal to 2 tidia ho jabo y equal to 2 plus 5 na yadi change karibo na itu 2 plus 5 to keep on 7. Our last parado y equal x equal to 3, so 3 plus 5, so that will be 5 plus 3, that's going to be 8. Itu ese tinta tu cholo parebo na one natural number to itu cholo parebo na 1 2 3 less than 4 diara. So we have our relation, our ordered pair. Ki ese jora the x to first day hota hai x or y na 1 6 2 7 3 8. So this is our relation R. Question also states to write on the domain and range. To question is also stating to write down its domain and range. So it's quite simple. Domain ki hoga? Domain of R. Range of R. What will be the domain? First 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Range second pair. Second element 6 7 8. Bus. That's it. Question number 2 done. Let's move on quickly to the next question. I believe all of you are with me. Okay. Number 3. The set A is given 1 2 3 5. Of course, one advantage with these YouTube videos is that like you can pause, go back, have a glass of water, bring your textbooks, pen, paper, and then you can again continue. No, that's why we have uploaded all these videos for all of you so that you can make the most of it. So A and B relation is already defined 1 2 3 5, 1 2 3 5, and B 4 6 9. Now the question is define a relation R from A to B, A or B. Kila to B to A B ho they do be careful thayo like takan pramangi pagla banawne try garo ti da man bra ulta ro pagla banai di like takan na. R equal to, they say ordered pair xy such that the difference between x and y is odd. The difference between x and y is odd. Odd number is odd. Only be odd x belongs to A, y belongs to B. X to A y to B that's order pair. Write it in the roster form. Write it in the roster form. Okay. So simple. X A B y so odd number difference between them. That means x minus y. X minus y or y minus x. Odd difference between them. Careful. The difference between them is odd. Odd natural number. Odd integer. That means negative. Odd natural number. Positive numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Odd so that means negative it one careful so odd number different start 1 minus 4 A to B A or B so 1 minus 4 minus 3 odd 1 minus 6 1 minus 6 minus 5 to be odd natural numbers negative number we count we have to count the negative numbers also because it simply says odd. Does it talk about odd natural numbers or no? It doesn't talk about anything. It just says odd, so it can be natural numbers. It can be integers also. Okay. Then again, 1 9. 1 minus 9 minus 8. To even out. To jura to 1 4 1 6 random serially to first 1 to 1 options done. I'll wrap it up. Okay. Next there 2 to it to wrap 2 2 minus 4 sub option 2 minus 4 2 minus 6 2 minus 9 not 2 2 4 2 6 2 9 so 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 4 2 minus 7 2 2 9 now to sort of even as it next 3 by 3 in direct 3 minus 4 3 minus 6 3 minus 9 so we could 3 minus 4 minus 1 3 minus 6 minus 3 3 minus 9 minus 6 to out lower 3 4 3 6 now next 5 5 4 5 minus 4 5 minus 6 which is simple as 5 minus 9 so 5 minus 4 1 5 minus 6 minus 1 9 minus 5 minus 4 out to 5 4 5 6 5 4 5 6 difference between Aroman that this is going to be the solution. Okay, 1 4 1 6 2 9 3 4 3 6 3 4 3 6 5 4 5 6 5 4 and 5 6. Some of us may think, sir, 4 minus 1 is also 3. It's okay, those thoughts are good. 4 minus 1 be 3. It will be odd number, no? Yeah, odd number say only be one relation to put define A bra B. B bra do nahibo. A bra B jabo. B bra A laga pathagora naidi. Because the relation is defined from A to B. It clearly X to A bra yahibo, Y to second set bra yahibo. To Y bra first itu value B bra nahibo. Okay, so that's why. So this is the solution. So it is a question to write R in the roster form. Done. Alright? What is the next question? What is the next question? Next question. In the figure, okay, the figure shows a relationship. So this is our figure. So the figure shows 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5. So the figure shows a relation. It's from P to Q. Arrow mark with the So the figure shows, write the relation in set builder form, roster form, write its domain and range. Number Number 4, 1. First to set builder form. To set builder form, so how shall we write this? It's kind of simple. That is, we have to write R in terms of the ordered pair x, y. Our x or y la relation to kiniga kuribo. X or y la relation to kiniga or define kuribo. So it idea is sorry. 5 minus you can have your own ways of writing, expressing it. Okay, no hard and first rule. There can be other ways also. What I see now, I'm just giving you that only. 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 2, 5. Of course, yes, I looked at the textbook answer and then I try to keep it that way so that there is no confusion, right? But it's not that a textbook answer is the final answer. Now, no, you can represent that in different ways also. Okay. So 5 minus, as I say, 1 plus 1 is 2, but also half plus half plus half plus half is also 2. So 2 can be represented in many ways. Alright. So now what I'll do here is, I'll just continue here. That is, maybe y I will write it as x minus 2. Isn't it? Y is like 5 minus 2. 4, 6 minus 2. 5, 7 minus 2. Right? You got that? Okay. And we will just define, and I'm just writing here because lack of space, and x I will only define x to limited 5, 6 and 7. Actually it should be written in that line since I got my figure here, so I'm just writing step down, no? But it should be written in that same line. Okay, so xy such that y is x minus 2 and x is 5, 6, 7. So definite no problem with that. Okay, number 2, roster form. So roster form to direct simple 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. Okay, and what will be its domain? It also asks you about domain. So domain already know. Now range also you already know, isn't it? All of you are becoming very smart now. Domain is 5, 6, 7. Range is 3, 4, 5. Okay. Again, I continue to request all of you, please share this channel with maximum of your friends, especially those who are not able to avail any tuitions or online classes or network problems or multiple smartphones they cannot buy at home. They have to wait for their parents and all. They can always utilize this channel because this channel is specially meant for them only, so they can watch through this and learn anytime. Nothing should come in the way of learning. Number 5. A is given, and of course tell them not to forget to subscribe because you will get advantage regular notifications. Now, R is a relation that is defined by AB such that A and B both belongs to A. That means it is from R. R is defined from A to A. Okay, R is defined from A to A. Okay. And the rule that is defined to B is exactly divisible by A. Fine. B is exactly divisible by A. First question, write R in the roster form. Write R in the roster form. Write R in the roster form. Let's try to finish this quickly. So, whatever we have, simple logic does say B to A, B is exactly divisible by A, or in other words, B is a multiple of A. That means, was it? No, B is exactly divisible by A. Got that? That means B is exactly divisible by A. So A, for example, the value of B should be a multiple of A. Maybe 2 times of A, 3 times of A. Yeah, exactly what I meant. It should be B should be a multiple of A. So one example that I'll give you is, of course, one thing is sure, every number divides. That means, in other words, A can divide B clearly. A can divide B. Okay? B is exactly divisible by A. In other words, let's cut all the other word. B is exactly divisible by A. That means A can divide B. A is a factor of B. Got that? So, but before we really proceed, one number that we can always write is, every number is divisible by itself. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So 1 is divisible by 1. Nah. 2 is divisible by 2, right? 2 can divide 2, right? 3 can divide 3, 4 can divide 4, 6 can divide 6. First things first, right? After that, let's look into the other values. दूसरा values को solve. तारमाने इधर क्या है प्रा b to a bra exactly divisible as it. तारमाने in other words, a bra b to clear divide करूँ पड़ेगा without any remainder. तो मतलब सब number तो टाइम निजोर बोलो divide करूँ पड़े ना इधर हम इधर लिखी दिसे, okay? Next तो और check करूँ. b to a bra b to clear divide करूँ पड़े तो 1 bra तो सब number divide करूँ पड़े ना 1 bra 2 पड़ेगा 1 bra 3 पड़ेगा ना because 1 2s are 2 1 3s are 3 1 4s are 4 1 6 are 6. That's what it says. B is exactly divisible by a. That means a can divide b, isn't it? Just the other way around. So 1 can divide 2 because 1 2s are 2 1 3s are 3 1 4s are 4. Arrow 1 now khatam. Yeah 2 law put condition systematically. 2 can divide 1. No. 2 cannot divide 1. Nah. 2 bra 1 divide kuru na pare no. Clearly 2 bra 1 divide kuru na pare bo dile decimal lai jabo the answer na. 2 bra 3 we divide kuru na pare without remainder, I mean factor. 2 is not a factor of 3. 3 is not a factor of 2. So but 2 can divide 4. But 2 can divide 4. 2 can divide 6 because 4 is a factor of 2 and 6 is a factor of, 2 is a factor of 6 and 2 bishi confusing and 2 is a factor of 4. Either bishi side baniba nijabo sitai sabo 2 can divide 4, 2 can divide 6. Ekta side baniba jaile badnole mogan topic confuse hoye. So 2 can divide 4, 2 can divide 6. Done. Or we get 3 was sabo. 3 can divide 4. No. 3 can divide 1. No. 2. No. But 3 can divide 6. 3 over 6 divide kuru parebo. Next 4 brado 1 2 3 tyro chutu to kite bin parebo na 4 bra 6 bin parebo 6 brado or chance nai to this will be the elements. This will be the elements. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this is R. Okay, your set R. All right. Okay. The next question is right, find the domain of R. I think that you can manage. No, domain of R, first elements, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Other elements are all repeated, so domain will be 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Range, second elements, so again 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. It's the set A itself. Set A to solve this, so repeat it. Now 3, 4, 6. So which I mean I think you can manage that. Next. Number 6. Determine the domain and range of the relation defined by R. Says that it is defined x, y. No. R, the ordered pair that you define although x or x plus 5. Ordered pair first, second. Arrow x to the number twice of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's too simple as it. Directly ordered pair. So x to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x 0 usually itu kiman hobo 0 plus 5 kiman 5 na x 1 usually 1 plus 5 6 x 2 usually 5 plus 2 7 x 3 5 plus 3 8 x 4 now because first element second element, isn't it? So if x is 4 4 plus 5 9 again kiman talks about 5 10 question. That's all. 0 5 1 6 2 7. Okay, now the question is find the domain and range. Again the same thing, domain. Okay, for this one let me just write down. Domain of R will be first elements. Range of R will be the second element. So domain of 0 1 2 3 4 5. Range second elements 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's it. Done? I'm wrapping it up. Okay. The next question. We are almost coming to an end. That's okay. 7. Let's finish it. The relation R is defined such that it will ordered pair to x arrow x cube or x to key is it? X is a prime number. You remember the definition of sets where we say that set is always a collection of well-defined objects. तो यदि भी सबै नता काम well defined गरिन छ न x to के से न in roster form. Okay, that's quite simple. That is x cube, where x is a prime number less than 10. So what are the key hobo prime numbers less than 10? 2, 3, 5, 7. Yeah, prime number 2, 3, 5, 7. So once that is decided, everything is done. So the ordered pair will be, when x is 2, it will be 2 cube, 8. When x is 3, it will be 3 cube, 27. Again, I don't want to be writing there. Here I say 5, 7. No? So when x is 5, it's going to be 125. When x is 7, it's going to be 343, because 7 cube is 343. Got that? Done. That's it. You just have to write on the relation here. No? Okay. Next, number 8. Okay, this is the question which I was telling you that we will be coming across a new formula here. Not a new formula, but a reminder. So number 8. The question is, okay, set A is given with 3 elements, x, y, and z. Set B is given with 2 elements, 1, 2. Now the question is, find the number of relations from A to B. Number of relations. Question is to find the number of relations from A to B. Fine. How do we do that? By getting the number of subsets. How do we get the number of subsets? From the number of elements in the set A, set B. This we already do on the Purishi. Nah. Number of relations from A to B, though, it number of subsets over it depend. Or kiman subsets olavo. It though among Purishi sets dina subsets of A cross B la to be Purishi. So what will be the number of elements in A cross B? Cartesian product was subsets by a Cartesian product. It will be among first exercise equation relations la de jaina sabo pare. Those who haven't done, so that will be what? Number of elements of A into number of elements of B. So kiman hobo idu 3 into 2 kiman hoise 6. So done. So we have to so the number of relations from A to B. This is our formula though in 2 in 2 power number of elements of ordered pairs or elements of the set A cross B. Tamine 2 hobo 2 power 6. That will be 2 power 6. Okay, 2 power 6 no problem. So got that? This is the formula that I'm asking, was telling you about. Okay, number of relations from A to B will be given by 2 power number of elements in the set A cross B, the Cartesian product of A cross B. To get that, we have to find out number of elements of A, number of elements of B. So this was the formula that I was talking about. So we say formula paise get the video off koridibo nine sabi arek the question ase. Okay, one more question is there. Rukise khatam koribi tati pe aru kibai takidibo na. Last question 9. Very simple question, that is, let R be a relation. It will be important as it will be important as error. Let R be a relation. Drop it on Z, which is defined by R such that the ordered pair AB such that A, B both should come from the set of integers. Z many integers to now, or A minus B is an integer. Now find the domain and range of R. Find the domain and range of R. So, itu question the man Venn diagram but la concept pra kuribo. I mean arrow diagram la concept. But to tagan dia do itu digina ase. Duita set to be integers. Ekta be integer, ekta be integer. Let's say itu la set to A. Or let's say itu do B. Na yeah. Ordered pair la dia isa pra A first pra B second pra. So yet integer money like 0, minus 1, minus 2 dot dot na 1, 2 dot dot. Itu integer ase to itu ne expand hoila hibo na. It will be 0. Moi to wrap kori dibo de itu be there. Like I'll draw a bigger diagram. I think you have already written down the question there. So since we have already taken some time, let's just do this quickly. Integers to integers. Let's say this is this element A, this is element B. 0, minus 1, minus 2 dot dot 1, 2 dot dot. So it's 0, -1, -2, dot, dot, 1, 2, dot, dot. Right. So now what they are telling us is that a minus b is an integer where the ordered pair a and b, both a and b belongs to integers. Ito ko igana ase to sabi a minus b to integer olawo na, a minus b to integer olawo, right? So now a minus b to integer olawo. So let's see. Kuri sabi a minus b ni try. Suppose a to first, so 0 loishin wing 0 minus, you connect it to any element, say 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, minus 2 na, because a minus b is na, to keep on 0 plus 2 to 2. So answer to ideal amount, domain and range to ki hobo ordered pair to laga 0 2. So the ordered pair, of course, see, ordered pair is like 0 minus 2, isn't it? Because a 0, b you use minus 2, and so of course it is an integer, 0 minus 2. Similarly, you take any element 1 minus 1. What do you get? Answer again, you get 0. So 1 and 1, another pair. Now you keep on making any of one item, any connect with 2 or let's say minus 1. 2 minus 1, it ordered pair laga. So it will be integer lawan na, 2 minus 1, because relation to a minus b is so 2 plus 1 minus plus 1. So it will be 3. So it will be the ordered pair relation. So tinigai kuri jaise bole to aro bishi number ase like minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 1 2 3 4 5 2 aro 2 to be connect kuri jole kiman lo 2 2, so 2 minus 2 1 0, so 2 aro 2 to be ordered pair. Tar mane Tagamro koda mani to R bisaribi, R bisaribi, aro itu R bra relation domain aro range to olabi. To R to human bishi ase na, jadi ki kita ise 0 0 minus 2 olaise 1 1 olaise 2 2 olaise 2 minus 1 olaise na. Aro itu to olai thakibo because you subtract and add two integers. When you subtract two integers or even add two integers, result to onta integer yo laworo. To itu tagamra kwa isapra theorem isapra a minus b is an integer. Itu to sub ordered pairs between the integer to integer, sub ordered pairs kani ola bole is the answer to integer na. So that means to set to any unlimited jawab. That means for every integer is ordered with another pair from an integer only. So that means domain to q. Itu bujula bami sabolaibo domain or range. Sabi R do set of ordered pairs na aro rule to thaise itu duita ordered pair subtract kora ni integer labo lage. Holbi duita element to be integers prai ahe. To integers duita subtract kora din dole hota aro integer yo labo. To tatili ko dauti nai na to सब element connect kuro pare to domain do amount ko do first order kun to connect kuro pare kun elements kan connect kuro pare itu bra domain hoy na holibi rule hisab pa dole सब elements to connect hobole asilo ekta nele ekta element itu na karne itu side holibi integer se ase. So that means domain will also be what set of integers only. Next to I say range to mane aro domain bra connect kuro para elements kan do second elements kan do to yanti bi provision will be ekta no ekta element all the time connect rule as though because as per the rule is apra to range be q range be set of integers hi hobo. Okay, ek bar babi sabi the question do, and then if you want me to discuss on this, please mention on the comment below. Since I was slightly running out of time, that's why all of juldi kori dishe all bi itu mane be anak probably discuss koro parebo, no problem. Okay, so all right then. So I hope your exercise is done. So next video we are going to be discussing about functions. So please like, subscribe and share, and please do let me know how do you like this video. Bye bye.